What is going on, my dudes? I hope you guys are having a good day. This project has been super fun, but the time that I've spent on this project has been during my parental leave, and my wife has had health issues, blah blah blah. Anyways, I have to go back to work, unfortunately, so I'm gonna start doing like a once a week upload. I'm gonna try to make it pretty strict of a schedule, and at least put something out. That being said, if it's a trash week, I'm not going to put out something just to put out content. Today we're going to do timing. We're going to jump right into it, starting with these bolts. It's just been sitting in degreaser. It started off purple and it's this like disgusting brown green color. So let's go take these bolts inside and see how they look once they're rinsed off. So these came out pretty dang clean. You know, at the very least, there's no grease on them. The threads aren't all gunked up. My problem is that I don't know if I dig them when all of this other stuff is, you know, perfect. So I'm gonna leave these, I'm gonna put them in, but I'm not 100% settled on them. I don't know. I got a quote from a guy who can do coating on them. So it's like a zinc coating. It'll make them that like sweet goldish color. I don't know. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Let me know down in the comments. So first up for the actual installation is going to be a stock grind cam from Melling. All of the timing stuff is going to be from Melling. I went with the stock stuff. I kind of explained it in my parts selection video, but it's the most reliable. It's nothing crazy for lift or duration. I do have some 1.7 ratio roller rockers that should help with that a little bit. This little sheet came with the cam, basically just saying it recommends these, but the AMSOIL break-in oil beats all of the quantities of magnesium, calcium, zinc, phosphorus, all that good stuff. So I shouldn't have any worries. Before that, I'm gonna toss in some of that real sticky AMSOIL assembly lube. this got a new seal and a new wear pad and a fresh coat of paint, like I said earlier. I don't know about these bolts. I'm gonna wait to put the tensioner, or not the tensioner, but the harmonic balancer on until I figure out what I'm gonna do with these bolts. It's not the end of the world, but it's also not perfect. Yeah, I'm also keeping them loose until I get the oil pan on, because this seals the front of the oil pan. Anyways, that is a Jeep inline 6 4-liter, or at this point a 4.6 liter timing. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I will see you next Monday.